Looking at the results, first of all, they would be characterized by the fact that we are still investing in two of our businesses. So if you look at EBITDA level, I think we made sort of 7.5 overall, but we doubled the EBITDA in global to 22.5 from 10. But you still have losses in Voltbet because we're investing in it, and you still have losses in Treasury. And there's been some remedial work done there. We discovered that our biggest client was our least profitable, and we eventually got to peace with that, and we moved on from that relationship. The company is now in a cash generating position, but it's still overall in the latter 6 months. I think we had some operating losses overall, and that was primarily because the markets became very quiet. I mean, if you look at worldwide trading volumes around the world, we need volumes to make money. We need volatility and volumes. Volatility creates volumes. And our business is interesting in the sense that the more volumes you have, the less risk you take in a funny way, because you find that these bids to and fro, the bid and the offer, if you get them both, ultimately if you had 100% of the market, you'd have zero risk, because you would simply net off all of the exposure one against the other, and you'd get all of the volumes. So volumes went down a bit, and we invested a lot of money, particularly in the second half, in Voltbet. So overall, although the profits went up, it wasn't all operating profits. The value of real people went up a bit. And we now are in a situation where we're generating cash, but more importantly, we're in a situation where, having demonstrated survival, we're in discussions with people that are above our weight. So there are a lot of partnerships being anticipated in Purple Capital, and we are finding ourselves on the global trader side talking to international players, on the Voltbet side talking to the major players, and that will be something we'll talk about publicly very soon. On the forex trading side, talking to big international banks about whether we can be their agents locally, and those things for us, and the turnaround in Treasury. We think those days of investing are behind us, and we're now into positive cash flows. We've made profits for 2 years in a row, and who knows, we might pay a dividend next year.